For small tears like these, all you need is a needle and a thread. You're going to have to use the thread that matches your fabric. And we're going to thread the needle. We're going to make a knot. Then carefully stitch the edges of the hole together. Start from the bottom, but insert your needle from the bottom, from the inside of the garment. A little bit outside the hole. And go from one end to the next. Don't pull too tight, just pull gentle. Side of the hole. To the other side of the hole. Pull gently. Turn the garment around. You're going to make a knot. You're going to open up the loop. You're going to pull the needle through the loop. Pull tightly and cut. Look at that. It's practically invisible.